Hi guys, welcome to Divinedine. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare bread sandwich pakora. So let's begin. At first, to make batter we need 1 bowl gram flour, half bowl white flour and 2 teaspoon red chili powder. Now take a bowl, add gram flour, white flour, red chili powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Now gradually add water as required. And make this consistency. Now add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and mix it. Our batter is ready. Now in a bowl, take 2 big sized boiled potatoes, one tablespoon boiled peas and mash them together. Then add 1 big sized chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 2 chopped green chilies, some chopped coriander leaves, half a lemon juice, two teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon dried mango powder and 1 teaspoon salt. And mix them well. After that, take 2 bread slices and evenly spread the filling on the bread. And place another bread slice. Now take good amount of oil in a pan. Now dip the sandwich into the batter and make a good coating. And fry it. It's gonna turn out amazingly delicious, and you can serve it with sauce or chutney. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this with your friends and family. Definitely try this delicious recipe and give your feedbacks in the comment section below. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.